I'll be the one you'll never know. Once you were the wildest man.
Hi, this is Professor Josh. Today we're going to dive into a new app called Frametasic. As you see, this is a great app, especially for Instagram users. Lots of different opportunities to use all kinds of different sized frames to put pictures in. So if you want to make a collage of pictures or get a group of pictures together into one thing. So you have a lot of different options here. You can go and check out some of these and play with them. One of my favorite is the automatic feature. So being able to just select a bunch of photos, really quick, really easy. Find some photos you want to put together into one picture that you can share on Instagram or your other social networks. So as I'm looking through my photo album here, I might grab several ones from when I went to New York to first try on Google Glass. So I'm going to go through and select several photos that I want to put together and automatically have it select frame that'll best fit this. The great thing about that is I don't have to find the frame and say, oh, will this work for those or not? Now, as you notice, a lot of these pictures seem off, so some of them I might try moving around, but really I don't like the layout. So I click that regenerate and it'll reframe them, and I like this layout a lot better. I just need to move around my photos a little bit, straighten them up, get them placed where I want to go. And when I'm finished, I'm all ready to click I'm done and move on to the next part. The next part gives you some choices on frames. So if you want to choose some different custom frame size, width, things like that. So there are other options beyond just the square. You can also change the border. So you can change the color. You can change how thick or thin the border is. So that could be great feature depending on what you want to use that for. And also you have the opportunity to dive in and check out a couple other things, like if you want more rounded corners than square. So those are just some of the options. When you have it all set and done, click the next. Now this is the really neat part. You can keep it as the photo as you see it, but there's also the opportunity to do it as a video. Now this does cost $1.99 extra. So the Frametasic app itself is free. Some of the extra features, such as the auto frame, so generate that auto frame, is 99 cents in-app purchase. This movie version is $1.99. As you see, it's really neat because it zooms in on each of the photos just for a few seconds there and kind of zooms back out. Really cool feature. Really cool feature to add, especially to your Instagram. So Instagram videos you're able to import into there. So once you have that set and check it out and like it, you're able to go ahead and save it to your camera roll right there on your iPad, or go ahead and publish it to Instagram. So definitely something to check out. There are several in-app purchase options. So as you see here, some frames are able for me to purchase. I haven't purchased these ones yet. That varies from some of the other apps that might be free already in there. I really like the auto generate feature, the auto frame kind of feature. The video feature is definitely unique to this one. Really quick, simple. There are other frame sizes you can purchase, or you might have already purchased. If you have already purchased, sometimes you just need to refresh your store features bot, especially if you use an iPad and iPhone and several different devices. So definitely check this app out and try out all the things. Like I said, it's free for the basic features. If you want some of the additional things, like the couple of things I showed today, you definitely want to go ahead and purchase those in-apps. Very cheap, very affordable, and a fun thing to play with, especially with Instagram. Again, my name is Professor Josh. You can find me at professorjosh.com or on Twitter at ProfessorJosh. Thanks again, and have a great day, and come back for another app of the week next week.
I've ever known.